Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to disassemble and assemble the side panels of the Osaki Platinum Escape Duo. Let's get started. First, detach the left outer panel. Unplug the terminal. Next, remove the right outer side panel. Unplug the terminal. Cut the cable tie. Next, bring the left outer panel close to the main body of the chair. Connect the terminals securely, ensuring each connection is tight and properly aligned. Once the terminals are connected, align the panel with the chair. Gently press it into place and secure it firmly. Now bring the right outer panel close to the chair's main body. Connect the terminals carefully. Use zip ties to organize the cables neatly. Trim off any excess from the zip ties for a clean finish. Once the cables are secured, align the right panel and attach it firmly to the chair. And that's it. Make sure all panels, connections, and components are secure. If you have any questions, refer to the manual for assistance. Thank you.